Lighting is often overlooked by new Blender users, who focus more on modeling and shading. This is likely because lighting usually happens later in the 3D workflow. However, establishing strong lighting early in a project can help guide the overall direction and art style. Taking time on lighting right away makes the rest of the work easier. You can download the add-ons through the link in the description. First up, the Procedural Sky System add-on is ideal for creating stylized outdoor environments. It is compatible with both Eevee and Cycle's render engines. The system includes preset skies to choose from, plus the ability to save your own customized skies for reuse. Parameters like sun and moon positions, sizes, stars, and clouds can all be adjusted and animated over time. The parameters are available in the World tab, so you don't need to go through the shader editor. Overall, this procedural sky offers a quick and easy way to generate stylized skies and lighting for outdoor scenes in Blender. The streamlined workflow is perfect for creating a vivid atmosphere in cartoonish and illustrative styles. Illuminate your 3D art with Pro Lighting Studio, the underrated lighting plugin from Blender sensei Andrew Price. While not as popular as Pro Lighting, Skies Studio shines when you need to showcase products or models. This add-on is like having a photo studio inside Blender. Browse preset lighting rigs, backdrops, and floors to instantly light a scene. It's perfect for product shots, commercial work, or anytime you need to render the same model from various angles. The streamlined interface makes lighting a breeze. Pick a preset and you're ready to render. Tweak lights, backdrops, and floors further using Blender's built-in tools. For artists and businesses wanting to highlight 3D models with professional studio lighting, Pro Lighting Studio is an indispensable tool. The quick workflows and diverse lighting options let you focus on creating, not fiddling with lights. Download this hidden gem today to make your models truly shine. Gaffer doesn't come with presets, but it gives you the tools to master light in your creations. As you add lamps and HDRIs to your scene, Gaffer detects them automatically. Its clean interface consolidates all lighting controls in one panel. Tweak colors, intensities, fall-offs, and more to craft the perfect mood and illumination. An intuitive workflow makes experimenting with lighting a breeze. Gaffer also allows saving your own personalized presets and HDRI images to reuse across projects. For both beginning and advanced CGI artists, Gaffer removes the frustration of wrangling lights. Focus on your vision while this add-on handles the technical details. Download Gaffer today to step out of the dark and start mastering light in your 3D art. Pro Lighting Skies, the HDRI collection that boosts realism while optimizing performance. This clever add-on pairs lower-res HDRIs with matching high-res JPEGs. The HDRI lights the scene while the JPEG displays in the background, providing detailed environments without the render strain. With around 100 HDRI sky options, illumination possibilities are endless. Choose from sunny days, stormy evenings, eerie nightscapes, and even sci-fi space vistas. For added realism, ground lighting is omitted, letting you control bounce and fill lighting. Pro Lighting Skies brings environments to life through its signature workflow innovation. Vast skies combined with smart techniques for rendering efficiency. From dusk till dawn, realistic or stylized, this collection elevates any outdoor scene. Make every world uniquely yours with Pro Lighting Skies. Like Gaffer, it's centralized access to all lamp settings, but with a more streamlined feature set. The intensity slider adopts f-stop values traditionally used for camera exposure. This creative interpretation reinforces lighting and camera as a cohesive system. While Gaffer offers richer customization, Light Manager provides an alternative take on lighting workflows. Its clean and focused controls are ideal when you just need quick access to lights. For artists seeking an intuitive launchpad for experimenting with lighting, Blender Light Manager hits the spot. Reduce complexity and focus creativity with this smart hub for your scene's illumination. Real Sky puts dynamic skies within reach. Animate swirling clouds, glimmers of sunlight, and shifting colors over day cycles. Though not as robust as Blender Light Manager, Real Sky offers an affordable procedural sky option. The flexible tools generate everything from peaceful puffs to stormy nimbus clouds. Customize cloud density, altitude, shadows, and more with just a few sliders. For artists seeking dynamic skies minus the hassle, Real Sky delivers. While Blender includes basic sky tools, this add-on takes environment creation further. Skip expensive packages and jump into procedural sky design with Real Sky. Simple controls let you focus on bringing realistic or stylized atmospheres to life. Physical starlight and atmosphere is the ultimate procedural outdoor lighting for Blender. This add-on generates incredibly realistic skies and lighting through physics-based simulation. Whether you need a sunny afternoon or cloudy dusk, Physical Starlight delivers. Animate every atmospheric element from sunlight angle to ozone density. Sculpt wispy cirrus or voluminous cumulus clouds that diffuse light dynamically. The level of control is unparalleled. Take your outdoor renders to new levels of realism without repetitive HDRI backgrounds. Physical Starlight and atmosphere brings dimension to any scene through its blend of science and artistry. Let real-world physics handle the technical details, while you focus on creating beauty. For outdoor environments with immersive depth and light, this add-on stands alone. Give your art dramatic skies to match your vision. Make each world unique with physical starlight and atmosphere. Extra lights, photometric lighting. This preset collection adds accurate real-world lamps to your Blender menu. Choose from precisely configured spotlights, point lights, area lights, and more. Extra lights come calibrated to emit authentic intensity distributions and fall-offs. The presets match genuine fixtures for results that convince. There are also lighting profiles sampled from actual luminaires. Apply these IES presets to convincingly replicate fixtures. This makes scenes with real-world context more believable. Incorrect lighting can distort scale and ruin realism. Extra light sidesteps these issues through true-to-life illumination. Let realistic radiosity lend authenticity to architecture visualizations or studio sets. For CGI that demands accuracy, Extra Lights delivers. Skip tedious parameter tweaking by selecting tried and tested fixtures tailored for Blender. Illuminate your 3D scenes with lamps that look as good as the real thing. Screen Space Global Illumination for Blender EV. This add-on integrates LuxCore's Screen Space GI for realistic lighting effects. Unlike Blender's rasterized view, LuxCore traces light paths to simulate indirect bounced lighting. The results add much-needed dimension to Eevee's flat shading. Scenes come alive with natural-looking ambience and glow. Say goodbye to harsh contrasts between light and shadow. LuxCore realistically fills, wraps, and shades objects based on light interaction. For artists seeking photorealism without cycles render times, Blend LuxCore delivers. Take your Eevee renders to the next level with global illumination that doesn't compromise. While plugin limitations forced a standalone build, the lighting benefits can be worth it. For production-ready results without the hassle, Blend LuxCore brings renderer quality GI to viewport and final render. HDRI Maker. This add-on goes far beyond just generating images. HDRI Maker provides a complete workflow for melding 3D objects with HDRI backplates. Quickly add natural shadows and reflections based on the environment map. Blend objects into the scene with built-in shadow catchers and plane cutters. Take your scenes to the next level with one-click fog, advanced camera controls, and included HDRIs. The preset browser makes finding and customizing environments easy. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned CGI artist, HDRI Maker saves time and frustration. Skip the hassle of compositing 3D renders into plates. This smart add-on handles the tricky details so you can focus on creation. Integrate objects into realistic or fantasy worlds in minutes. From intricate product shots to sweeping landscapes, HDRI Maker helps polish and professionalize. Start mastering scene setup with this all-in-one environment integration solution for Blender. The only limit now is your imagination. These add-ons make stunning, customizable lighting easy and intuitive. Time to experiment fearlessly and watch your 3D scenes come alive with visual magic. The light is yours to sculpt. Let these tools blaze the path from first concept to flawless final render. You can download these add-ons through the link in the description.